I will use discarded milk cartons, punch drainage holes, and punch holes to connect two milk cartons together to save space on the terrace. Very cool. The distance between the upper and lower milk cartons is about 40 centimeters to match the height of the strawberry plant. To help strawberry seedlings grow strong from the start, I use organic fertilizer mixed into the soil. Strawberry seedlings have very weak branches, so when planting, remember to be gentle to avoid breaking roots or branches. After planting, we water moderately to help the tree have stable moisture for growth and not be waterlogged. When the mulberry tree grows healthy and green, to have nutrients for the tree to grow and bloom, we start taking care of them. For me, strawberry fertilizer is always important. It must be nutritious and harmless to humans. Therefore, I always choose organic fertilizer. After fertilizing, we should add more soil to the plant. This helps the plant to have a good metabolism, prevent erosion, and create space for the roots to grow. We always keep the plants moist by watering them. When a strawberry plant flowers, it needs a lot of nutrients. It needs enough energy to nourish the plant and develop flowers so that the plant can produce a lot of fruit. Help plants absorb nutrients immediately. This time, I used honey mixed with water to water the plants. Onions are very beneficial for flowering plants. They can stimulate the plant to produce more fruit, and at the same time repel insects and prevent pests. So I will use 1 clove of onion mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. Things that seem to be thrown away. I used them for 2 months and have had strawberry plants with lots of big, beautiful fruits. Now we can enjoy the fruits of our labor. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.